Let's learn how to flash the camera light as notification light. We can flash this mobile camera flashlight as our notification light. When we receive notification, we can blink this flashlight. Let's learn how to enable this feature. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down and go to accessibility option. Click on advanced settings option. In here, you can click on this flash notification option. You can enable this camera flash notification option in here. You can set this camera flash notification for apps manually. Now I select all apps. We can see a preview how it works. Now I click on this preview button. Now when we receive notification on any application, our mobile flashlight going to blink like this. If you want to enable flash notifications, you can enable this second feature, screen flash notification option. If you enable this feature, when you receive notifications, your screen will flash like this. In this method, you can enable camera flash notification option.